studio.
And today we will be doing some holiday pancakes. Before we start, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Here are the tools: a mixer, a bowl, 3 measuring cups, and a pancake electric grill. Here are the ingredients: pancake mix, 1 egg, water, and butter. First, we're going to wash our hands. First, we're going to add 3.5 cups of pancake mix. Now we're going to add 1.5 cup of water. Now we're going to add the egg. Now we're going to mix the ingredients. Now we're going to add the butter. Now I'm going to add the pancake mix. Remember, you can always ask your parent for help. Now we flip the pancakes. Here I am making more pancakes and waiting so I can flip them.
3 hours later.
Now you can serve it on a plate and keep making some more. Here are the toppings that we're gonna add in our pancakes, but you can add any toppings you want. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!